So you need a ratchet, ideally with a size 1 Phillips bit on it. A size 1 screwdriver, a stumpy screwdriver, is just a little bit too big to get in, I've found. So ideally if you can get a ratchet, and then if you see, this is the LED, and the LED here that we're going to replace. There's 2 screws in the inside, screwing this onto this plastic piece inside. And all you need to do is undo those 2 screws to release the LEDs. Fairly easy to get to, you don't have to take anything off to access these screws. Like I say, with a ratchet it's actually quite accessible. So I've already taken one screw out before we started this video. I've just taken the second one out. Now these LEDs are getting replaced because they're damaged, but still you need to be a little bit careful pulling them out, just in case you break anything else gets broken in the process. Now the trick seems to be with these is at this end is to pop them down and out, which is easier said than done, but a little bit of force, not just to get that past the edge of that. Now, like I say, these are already broken, and then this edge here pulls that way. Just gently again, just not to break anything else. So you've got your LED out. All you need to do now is pull the wire gently back, and you'll find that all the cabling for this LED, which connects to here, and this one, which feeds them both, is fairly accessible again. So to undo these little clips, just dig your thumbnail into the tab, come off fairly easily. Same with this one. So you've got one there, exactly the same with this one. 2 screws underneath, out at the front first, and then it seems to slide forward. Just being careful not to break anything else. So we'll presume this is your new one. Doesn't actually matter which way these get plugged in, but just to make life easier, I put the longer bit to the top and the shorter one which connects up to the other LED. Yeah, and those just push, do that again. This connector and that is really simple, they just push together and just make sure they've got a decent connection. So this wiring just gets gently stuffed up between this under tray plastic bit and this top part underneath the air ducts. Plenty of room for the wiring to go up there, and it doesn't seem to get trapped in anything. And just have a wee look that it's not protruding out anywhere. It's fairly neatly done. Now just the opposite to how we took these apart, this end slots in this side first, and it actually locates with a little tab. I don't know if you can see it here, that locates in correctly there. And then with this side you see, kind of push it up, and you have to be a little bit forceful, but again, nothing too excessive. Again, easier said than done. It clicks into place. Still not fade. And again, if you look at the side, there is a tab piece in there that you'll see when you have the LEDs out, that you can see the shape part there. That one's actually broken, but they locate, the fairing's cut to take the shape of the LEDs. So that's installed. All you need to do now is put your 2 screws in. They're self-tappers, so they're fairly easy to get started. 2 little lugs in the LED into the nose fairing. Make sure they go all the way home, and then just clean it just to make sure they're not going to come out. So I'll just do the one again and just check them there. They're working.